Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Teams for client onboarding and updates step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Teams for client onboarding and updates, begin by ensuring you have a Microsoft 365 account. Log into your Microsoft 365 account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Teams app on the dashboard. If you do not see Teams, click on the app launcher icon to reveal all available apps. Select Microsoft Teams from the list to open the application. If you are using Teams for the first time, you will need to download the desktop application or use the web version. Next, create a new team by clicking on the Teams icon on the left sidebar. Select Join or Create a Team at the bottom of the Teams list. Click on the Create Team button. Choose from scratch or from an existing group, depending on your needs. For client onboarding, select Private to ensure that only invited members can access the team. Now give your team a name that reflects its purpose, such as Client Onboarding or Project Updates. Add a brief description to inform members. Click Create to finalize your team setup. Once your team is created, invite members by selecting Add Members. Enter the email addresses of the clients or team members you wish to invite. You can also add existing contacts by searching for their names within your organization. Click Add once you've selected the appropriate contacts. After adding members, ensure that you set appropriate roles for each member, such as owner or member. Now, customize your team by adding channels for different topics related to client onboarding. To add a channel, click on the ellipsis next to your team name. Select Add Channel and enter a name that describes the specific topic, such as documentation or weekly updates. Decide if the channel. To upload a file, select the channel where you want the file to be available. Click on the Files tab at the top of the channel. Then, click on Upload and choose the file from your device. Consider using the Wiki tab to document onboarding processes and updates. For real-time communication, encourage members to utilize the chat feature for quick questions and updates. Set up regular meetings by scheduling them in the calendar feature of Teams. Remind members to download the mobile app for easy access to updates on the go. Lastly, monitor team activity and engage with clients through announcements and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.